Flag state responsibilities under UNCLOS. Under the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, UNCLOS, flag states have specific responsibilities to ensure that ships flying their flag comply with international maritime laws and regulations. These responsibilities are outlined primarily in Part 7, High Seas, and other relevant provisions of UNCLOS. Key responsibilities include 1. Jurisdiction and control. Article 91. The flag state has exclusive jurisdiction over ships flying its flag on the high seas. It must maintain a genuine link between the state and the ship. Article 92. Ships must sail under the flag of one state only and are subject to its exclusive jurisdiction on the high seas, except in cases explicitly provided for in international treaties or UNCLOS itself. 2. Ensuring safety at sea. Article 94. Flag states are required to take measures to ensure the safety of ships, including construction, equipment, and seaworthiness. Ensure that ships are manned by qualified crews, taking into account applicable international instruments. Conduct investigations into marine casualties or incidents involving their ships. 3. Environmental protection. Article 217. Flag states must enforce international rules and standards to prevent, reduce, and control pollution from ships. They must ensure their ships comply with these standards and impose penalties for violations. Flag states are also responsible for ensuring that their ships do not discharge pollutants into the marine environment. 4. Labor and social standards. Flag states must ensure that working conditions on ships flying their flag comply with international labor standards, such as those set by the International Labour Organization, ILO, and the International Maritime Organization, IMO. 5. Prevention of illegal activities. Flag states must take measures to prevent illegal activities, such as piracy, smuggling, and unauthorized broadcasting, by ships flying their flag. Articles 99 to 109. 6. Investigation and enforcement. Flag states are required to investigate and, if necessary, prosecute violations of international maritime laws committed by their ships, regardless of where the violation occurs. Article 217. 7. Assistance and cooperation. Flag states must cooperate with other states in enforcing international maritime laws, including search and rescue operations, and combating illegal activities at sea. Articles 98-100. 8. Registration and documentation. Flag states must maintain a register of ships flying their flag and ensure that ships are properly documented and comply with international regulations. Article 91. 9. Liability and compensation. Flag states must ensure that ships flying their flag have adequate insurance or financial security to cover liabilities, such as oil pollution damage, as required by international conventions. Article 235. 10. Reporting and communication. Flag states must communicate relevant information about their ships to international organizations, such as the IMO, and cooperate in sharing data to enhance maritime safety and security. Flag states play a critical role in ensuring that ships comply with international maritime laws, safety standards, and environmental regulations. They are responsible for exercising effective jurisdiction and control over their ships, enforcing international rules, and cooperating with other states to maintain order and safety at sea. Failure to meet these responsibilities can lead to international scrutiny and liability. Thank you for watching the video. For more marine topics, please subscribe the channel. Please help us with your valuable feedback to improve the contents.